Well, today is federal income tax filing and payments are due. Abby Breidenbach is live in Lafayette with some tips to help with those last-minute filers. Good morning, Abby.
Good morning, Katie. Well, it is tax day, and I actually just read that up to a week ago, at least 1/3 of Americans still hadn't filed their taxes yet. So if anyone watching is part of that group of 1/3, you don't have to worry yet. You still have time to file, and you can still get an extension as well. So if you didn't finish your taxes, you can file that extension. That will give you an additional 6 months or till October to file. But remember, even if you get an extension, you do still have to pay what you owe, even if you file that. The form for the extension is called a 4868. If you aren't sure how much you owe, you can look back at last year's returns. And remember, it's better to overpay than to underpay, just so you avoid some penalties, because there are some penalties for paying late, and you might incur an interest as well. Then before October 15th, that's how long it would take, or how long the extension would last through. You'll need to file your taxes before that date, even if you don't know how you're going to pay. There are options like payment plans with the IRS that are available, and if you had to pay when you normally would have gotten a refund, now is the time to revisit your W-4s and adjust your withholdings. Now again, today is the day to file your taxes or to file an extension for your taxes, and regardless, if you owe money, pay it by today. I'll be back a little later on in the show with what happens if you don't pay on time, so stay with us right here on GMA. Live in Lafayette, I'm Abby Breidenbach. Good morning, Acadiana.